go again.
Try me.
Try number 2. Okay, yawn.
Let me.
Yawn. Yawn. Charles, come here. Don't move again.
Daddy said Charles from here.
Do you see him? I think he's in. I think he's in. Don't move, Ken. Don't move.
Bird on.
Got him.
We got him.
Okay. Watch out, watch out. You gotta hold the bottom. Hold the bottom. Hold the bottom.
This?
Oh no, the bottom of this tube right here. Yeah. There you go. Oh, Karen, you can't do that.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back door.
Okay. Charles, no, at the front door. Front door's
Front
closed.
door.
Charles.
Open the front door now.
Charles,
Open
grab the
front
camera.
door. Emily, go open the front
Pointed
door.
at us.
Go,
There
go,
you
go.
go. Emily, open the front door.
You guys record a bird.
Okay. Okay.
We got it. Got it.
All right, Emily, get the door.
Open the door, come on.
Okay.
Open the door, come on. Let's go. Charles, help. Oh,
I can't.
Charles, help her out.
help her out. Open the door. Let's go.
Someone hold the camera.
You're okay. You got
It's
it.
okay.
One hand. All right, she got it. She got it.
All right, back up.
Yeah.
Here we
Good
go.
camera work, Charles. All right, Emily, out of the way.
Out of the way.
Got him. We can believe we got a
Hold on.
fish.
Don't open it towards my face. We're gonna drop it that way.
Back up,
Ready?
Emily.
Ready? Charles.
Charles, you got it?
Now watch it. We're gonna roll it that way. Ready? 1, 2.
Woo!
Woo!
There's a blackbird now.
Nice job, buddy.
We did it.
Good job, team.
We did it.
Good job, team.
We did it.
Daddy's plan worked again.
Outstanding.
There he is.
Outstanding.
There he is. You see him up there? He's on the branch that was cut off. Just had some bread and popcorn chips. He's fed.
So great.
Oh my lord. Did you do his
Dad, I
duties?
gotta take a picture.
Any duties?